So, another update. Not program related. So what I've been working on recently is getting this new to me computer up. So, the reason I've been spending time doing this is this will allow me to do more variety of videos. It's hard to do everything off my laptop and phone. So this computer actually, and this is been an interesting project itself. So this computer, we're seeing here, this is an HP Envy all-in-one desktop. It was actually my parents'. However, a month or so ago, their house got struck by lightning. Ruined a lot of their electronics. So as I was there this weekend, I saw this computer on the floor, and they're like, "Oh," I asked, "What are you gonna do with that?" And they're like, "Oh, that's trashed," and it didn't really work. And I'm not an expert on repairing computers. I know enough to be dangerous, sure, but so this I had to kind of keep learning and looking up some stuff. So originally, all it was doing, there was the just the HP logo right here, and not much else. Nothing else was happening. So, and the computers is all what you see here. It's all in one. So I was able to somehow get it to load back up, and there's something wrong with some obviously the electronics inside, but I figure if it's able to load up like this, I created a recovery image, and I was able to basically restart it from zero, but problems. The wireless card, the networking card doesn't seem to work. The sound card, the booting up is kind of weird. So I'm thinking from here, I've ordered the wireless adapter, the network adapter card I have in the sound card, because these have decent speakers. I guess this is a Bang & Olufsen computer, which I don't know what that means, but I guess it has good speakers. So anyway, I have the back off right now just to see what was going on with it. Again, if you there's probably tons of people who are going to know way more than me about any of this. And I noticed that once I plugged something into the USB, it would actually load up the desktop. I was able to log in and everything else. The internet, for the moment, I went and got a little wireless adapter from Staples or something, a USB adapter. So that allowed me to finally connect to the internet, because even the Ethernet wasn't working either. So I'm guessing that's all going through the card. I'm not exactly sure, so I'm going to replace it and see what happens. If nothing else, maybe I'll keep the little USB dongle. But anyway, so this is a much nicer computer than what I was operating off of, and this will allow me to do a lot more stuff than before. So yeah, that's what I'm working on now. I thought about, once I start to repair it, maybe you do some videos with that, because again, I'm not an expert at all, but so far so good. I've gotten it up, and I figure if I can get up to this point, it means there's not, it works. So the hard drive is good. So I've been trying to troubleshoot a few more things. There's things with the device descriptor, that I had to reinstall some drivers and all that. So yeah, but other than that, once I get this up and running, it should be pretty cool. This is kind of exactly what I needed, but again, if I run into some other issues, there's just maybe stuff I don't know yet, because it won't log in each time. So we'll see. You'll be along for that ride. So that's what I've been working on now. So if you, for some reason, have experience with these computers, let me know. But so yeah, I'm not sure how much was damaged by the lightning, but again, it's encouraging that this works and pulled it up. So other than that, the other things I've been doing, I moved my YouTube channel to a branded account. So if you see that changing, I don't know how much you'll see on your end. I only have 16 subscribers right now, so it won't really affect y'all. But I was running into the issue of it was my personal Gmail account having a YouTube channel branded, so everything I was then sending out was saying the beginner programmer, which not really what I want when doing other things. So that's something that's changed. I have a few more videos I've been meaning to get out. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. I hope to get this up and running soon, and then I'll have the chance to do tutorials, share my screen, things like that that are pretty common. That'll, again, just be good for learning purposes. So yeah, this will be interesting. I didn't expect this computer to work even this much. So already, it's pretty good success, and so that's about it. Hopefully I have a video I need to post here that I shot, but again, I shot it on my laptop, and then this is on my phone, so it gets a bit confusing. So yeah, and then I just get back to programming, practicing. That'll be very nice to do that. So yeah, if you're wondering, I wasn't aware of the whole branded account thing. So that's, again, something I learned is, yeah, if you have your own personal account and want to still use that, but not have it directly linked to your personal Gmail account or whatever, you can switch it to a branded account. So that's, again, something I learned that you can do. So that's kind of fun. So this is all kind of a learning journey, But let's keep this video short. I'll keep you updated on this computer. So again, I hopefully can keep using it, and I have figured out most of the issue. So we'll see once I install the adapter card, the sound card, and go from there. But other than that, it seems to work. There's not too many things that are coming up. So I was thrilled to get on the internet. So, but anyway, I'll keep you updated. Look forward to more videos here soon. Talk to you then. See y'all.